Quick overview and introduce highlight features of Grapefruit mouse and keyboard wireless combo. 2.4 GHz ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo with wireless. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Tired of the traditional black mouse and keyboard? Don't like the touch of traditional keyboard keys at the same time don't like the sound of mechanical keyboard keys? Wireless keyboard have fresh, beautiful color matching, will make the mood more beautiful when used. The wireless keyboard's buttons are designed with a retro printer, which has a better feel and sound. The ergonomic keyboard collision of minimalist design and retro aesthetics makes the design return to the essence, emphasizing the inner charm. Simplicity is not simple. If you're new here, don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.